Alright, today we are finally going to wrap up the TRX-4 chassis kit build. The truck itself has been built and is complete, but now we're going to do the final touches with the body and the accessories. So now that the TRX-4 chassis kit has been built, we can do the body. I've already trimmed the body and fit it to the truck. I just trimmed off a little bit here, and I also trimmed a little bit back here, so that way we get a little bit more clearance over the fender. And if I do put it over the chassis kit right now, it fits perfectly. And I've taped up the truck for painting. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours now since I painted the truck last. I've already cut a nice spot out of the front grille here with the tape, so that way we can paint the Ford logo on the front glossy black. I'm actually going to take the overspray film and cut it off of the fenders around here, so that way we get a flat black on the outside. And then I'm going to do the same with the front grille here. Alright everyone, the Traxxas TRX-4 chassis kit is now complete and the body and the light bars have been installed. As you can see, we've got the light bar up top and we've also got the roof rack. I also have a light bar mounted in the bottom of the bumper here. Of course, this wasn't designed for it. However, the 2-inch Proline light bar fits perfectly in the area right here underneath the bumper. This is going to be a fantastic truck to make a lot of awesome edits with. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy the reveal video where I get a bunch of cinematic shots of this truck. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you next time on the RC Genius.